Hello and welcome to the video. Before we get started, if you'd like to provide input on future content and get our weekly newsletter, click on our survey. The link will be below. We also have a report on Ethereum 2, along with a bonus report on why you should learn Solidity now. Again, the link will be below. Now on to the video, and thank you. Okay, so today, a little bit different. There's some exciting news. The Scripto has been released by the Radix group and the Radix project in their Alexandria release. So let's talk a little bit about that. So this was their, I guess you'd call it the Radix Engine 2.0 that is going to include, that includes the Radix Engine 2.0, which includes Scripto. And we've been waiting for this for some time. They've been, when we first looked at Radix, this was still in development, and they said it would be released in December. Well, now it's December, and here it is. Very interesting. They have this whole article here. They also have a, where did it go? They also have a white paper that goes through it, and the whys and the wherefores, and they show that they talk a lot about the fact that Ethereum is can be rather complex. So this is just all functionality implements smart contracts that message each other. So they're talking about what Uniswap should look like and what Uniswap does look like. All the things transferring around, and it can get very complex. So the concept of Scripto and the Radix engine is to make it much easier. And here is an asset-oriented approach. Basically, Radix is built on top of Rust, which we've seen on many of the projects are using Rust these days, and they have their own crate. Let's see, where they talk about that, and that allows you to do things the Scripto way. They have this Scripto. They call it a programming language. It's essentially a crate that's over Rust. It's kind of like when we saw ink, right, with Polkadot, designed to make it easier. Now you can contribute. Now this is interesting. This is new, and this is great for developers. They have a blueprint catalog so you can contribute the things you make, the code you write that may solve someone else's problems. So that you can contribute, and you can get paid if it's used. And it says so. So it's a decentralized. So they have developer royalties. So if someone comes up with something that's used a lot, they can get some money, which is a good thing. That's how you incentivize people to solve problems, is you make it worth their while to do so. And if you've taken any entrepreneurial or business training, you know that the whole purpose of, when you think about your business, and they emphasize this a lot if you've ever gone to any of the ClickFunnels training or anything like this, is your job as an entrepreneur, in this case a codepreneur, make up a word, is to solve a problem for the community, the Radix community, and if you solve the problem, you get rewarded, just like in business. So that's the whole thing, and you can read. This is I don't know how many pages. This is a fairly involved white paper. It goes. It looks like it goes about 33 pages. That's not too bad. And the other thing is, here's a developer hub. So developers.radix.dlt.com, and it goes not quite on that public network yet, but you can certainly get started. And this is, they have a GitHub. Let me go to the main GitHub. And this is all the tests you got, documentation. This is, yeah. Oh, this is the source. This is the, looks like it's the Scripto source right here. And then, and I think I'd like to go through, what happened here? Let's go back. Radix Scripto. Okay, they have some example. They have an examples area, and they have a core example. They have, let's see, hello NFT. Make it very simple. They explain how this works. Basically, you can buying tickets. In fact, Gary V, I think, tried to sold tickets via NFT to one of his events. So anyway, you have the concept of a vault, and if you look, and the tickets is a vector and a bucket, which is a resource. Remember, resource builder is another big thing with Scripto. And let's see. And this is all in one. So this uses the Scripto crate, I guess. And you create a blueprint, and that's their structure that defines what's there. New, how you buy a ticket, buy a ticket by ID, and let's see, of course they use the bucket. So ticket bucket, let's see, this is, they're creating the ticket bucket. This is the implement. This is where, when you implement, or you when you create an instance of here of this blueprint, and when you buy a ticket, let's see, so it's going to take payment, which is a bucket, so that's like, and collected, and you take a ticket, and if you go up here, tickets, or the vault, which is, let's see, that's created here. So the vault is created, available tickets uses the ticket bucket that's created here. This is we'll be going through these examples because I really want to. Excuse me. And then if see if you go here, it goes through how to do this, how to run it, to give you an idea of how this works. And so this is very exciting. Let's see, they have a bunch of resources. So for developers, you can sign up for the developer program. You can look at examples. They have the docs here. Let's see if I could, I want to open this in a new tab. Oh, it's the same thing. Let's make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yep. Okay. So here are the development docs. Describe the environment, the language. Let's look at that. Open link in new tab here. So they explain about resources, buckets, and vaults, components and methods, blueprints and packages. So it's kind of cool. They built this language very specific for what they're trying to do, which is DeFi's, NFTs, etc. And the other unique thing about this that they're doing is this whole concept of being able to contribute the code you write and get paid for it. So want to learn more about that. So anyway, hopefully this has been interesting. I know people were excited about Radix when I talked about it a while back, and now, when was this released? Yesterday. As of yesterday, because December 15th, today's the 16th, it is here, and we can get started coding. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.